we want to pay this money. I have, I think, about 130 million shillings, which I have to disburse between now and end of June for bursaries. We have signed intergovernmental partnership agreements with the Ministry of Education, but the controller has become difficult. She has become intransigent. She has become unreasonable, extremely unreasonable. And she's taking the county governments through hell in accessing money. It is unacceptable. The biggest threat to devolution today is the control of budgets. There is no control of budgets for county governments and control of budgets for national government. Why we have to carry invoices and contracts and receipts all the way from Wajir and queue in her office for weeks to access money, I do not understand. And this is hell that every county government has been taken through. We want to be told whether we're really serious as a country about devolution. Why is it so difficult for counties to access the monies that have been appropriated for them? Yet counties are only accessing 9% of the annual budget of Kenya. We can't pay fees for kids who need to be kept in school because some government bureaucrat somewhere is making life difficult for everybody in the chain. The president of Kenya has pronounced himself on this matter. And we want to send a warning to her that as a council, we are now willing to go legal. We are willing to petition the Houses of Parliament for her removal because she has made life impossible for the average Kenyan to access county services.